How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to find shared connections on Snapchat on your Android device. First, open Snapchat on your Android device and tap the Add Friends icon at the top right of the screen. It looks like a person with a plus sign. From there, scroll down to the Quick Add section, where Snapchat suggests people you may know. Under each suggested person's name, you'll see a tag showing how many mutual friends you share with them. Something like 3 mutual friends will appear right below their display name. If you're looking for a specific person, tap the search bar at the top and type in their username. If you share connections with them, the mutual friend count will appear right under their display name in the search results as well. Keep in mind, Snapchat only shows you the number of mutual friends and not who those friends actually are. This is a privacy feature built into the platform, and there's no way around it. Snapchat strictly prevents users from viewing each other's full friend lists, so the count is as far as it goes. If you really want to know who the mutual connections are, the only way to find out is to add that person and ask them directly. And that's it. If this guide helped you find mutual friends on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.